It all starts on a quiet afternoon, deep in nature, where everything seems calm and peaceful, but suddenly, faint cries can be heard coming from a hole in the ground. As the young builder moves closer, he discovers something heartbreaking: several tiny abandoned puppies trapped inside, scared and unable to escape. Without wasting a second, he carefully lifts each puppy out and places them safely into a basket. The puppies huddle together, still nervous and confused. But what happens next is something truly incredible. Instead of simply rescuing them and walking away, he decides to build something special. A tiny survival house for puppies, right in the middle of nature. He begins by clearing a quiet patch of land surrounded by greenery. With bamboo sticks and wooden poles, he carefully marks out the foundation. At first, it looks simple. But as the structure starts taking shape, it becomes clear that this is going to be much more than just a shelter. This is about creating a miniature dog paradise. One by one, he ties the wooden frames together using natural vines. Each piece is carefully secured by hand. Then comes one of the most satisfying parts of the build. He mixes mud and dry straw together to create natural clay plaster. Slowly, he spreads the mixture over the frame, shaping walls with remarkable precision. With every layer, the tiny house becomes more real. Soon, smooth walls begin to rise. A curved roof takes form. He carves out a tiny doorway and even adds small windows, making the house look like a real countryside cottage. Next, he places stones beside the entrance to create a miniature staircase. At this point, the build already looks amazing, but he's only getting started. Right in front of the puppy house, he starts digging a small pond. Carefully shaping the edges, he creates a peaceful water feature that instantly transforms the space. Then he covers the roof with fresh green grass. Flowers are planted around the house, bringing color and life to the entire area. Using bamboo, he also builds a small water channel that will soon bring flowing water into the pond. Now the tiny puppy home is beginning to look like something out of a fantasy story, and then comes the moment everyone has been waiting for. The pond is filled with water. The rescued puppies are finally brought to their new home. At first, they cautiously explore their surroundings. They sniff the grass, peek through the tiny doorway, step carefully around the pond, and then suddenly, the puppies begin running, playing, and exploring every corner of their new miniature house. Their happiness says everything. But somehow, the project still isn't finished. Wanting to make it even more impressive, the builder starts digging a much larger pond beside the puppy house. This next part takes serious effort. After hours of careful work, he creates something truly eye-catching: a fully functional bamboo water wheel. As water begins to flow, the wheel slowly spins. And just when you think it can't get any cooler, he adds a tiny wooden fisherman figure attached to the wheel. As it moves, it looks like the little figure is actually fishing. It's an incredibly creative detail that brings the whole build to life. Next, both ponds are carefully plastered with clay to create a smooth, natural finish. Then he builds a beautiful bamboo bridge connecting the different parts of the tiny landscape. Finally, colorful fish are released into the larger pond. Watching them swim beneath the water instantly makes the miniature village feel alive. Now everything is complete. The puppies walk across the bamboo bridge, stopping to watch the fish below. They explore every part of their tiny world. Food is prepared for them nearby, and they happily settle into their new home. What started as a simple puppy rescue has turned into an unbelievable DIY miniature survival build: a tiny eco-friendly puppy house, a peaceful pond, a spinning bamboo water wheel, a complete miniature paradise built entirely by hand. And honestly, seeing the transformation from empty dirt to this incredible puppy village makes you wonder what he'll build next. If you enjoy puppy rescue stories, survival building, bamboo house construction, miniature DIY projects, and relaxing nature builds, there's a lot more coming. So before you leave, hit that subscribe button and stick around, because the next build might be even more unbelievable.